Hi, this is Jake at Optery. Ready to remove your information from Infotracer? Follow these quick steps. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Go to Infotracer.com, scroll to the bottom, and click Do Not Sell Share My Personal Information. On the opt-out page, type your first and last name, pick your state, add your city, and click Submit. Check the I'm not a robot box, then scan the results. Find your record, tick the checkbox, and tap the red Remove Data button. Enter your email, pass the CAPTCHA, and press Submit. Check your inbox, click the confirmation link to lock in the request. Got more profiles? Go back to the list and repeat the earlier process. Infotracer will send you an email. Click on the Click Here confirmation link in the email message to verify your data removal. For residents of California, Colorado, Connecticut, Utah, or Virginia, follow these state-specific step-by-step instructions in opting out of Infotracer. From the same Your Privacy Choices page, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Here under Exercising Your Data Subject Rights. Choose your country, city, and state, check Myself, and request to opt out. Fill in your first and last name, add your email, solve the CAPTCHA, and hit Submit. Open the verification email and press Confirm Email. Wait for the approval notice, and it's done. Congratulations on opting out of Infotracer. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip, if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to Optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.